Troubleshooting a Furrion RV stereo radio reception. One common issue faced by RV owners with their Furrion stereo systems is radio reception. Understanding and troubleshooting radio reception problems can enhance your listening experience. Let's dive into some common issues and how to address them. Weak signal. A weak signal often results in poor radio reception. Check your antenna connection first. Ensure it is secure and properly connected. If the antenna is damaged, replace it with a new one. Another factor is your location. Being in remote or mountainous areas can impact signal strength. If possible, move to a place with fewer obstructions. Also, consider installing a signal booster. This can amplify weak signals and improve reception. Static and interference. Static and interference can disrupt your listening experience. First, check for any electrical devices near your stereo. Devices like microwaves or televisions can cause interference. Turn them off and see if the static reduces. Next, inspect the antenna. Loose connections or damaged cables can introduce static. Ensure everything is tightly connected and in good condition. If the issue persists, your area might have high RF interference. Using a noise filter can help reduce this interference. Finally, ensure your stereo's frequency settings are correct. Sometimes, tuning slightly off the main frequency can cause static. Adjust your settings for a clearer signal. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video.